Good day ulit mga kataraki, and this is the Daily Taraki Dose. Tama ba? Daily Taraki Dose of Coach K. Ay, tama ba? Okay. So, for today's video, charos. I know tapos na ang ating Valentine's Day, pero syempre pag-usapan na namin, sino kasama ko? na natin ang relationship dynamics. Okay. When it comes to relationship dynamics, so insight into building and maintaining healthy relationships, navigating conflicts, and fostering intimacy. Ayan. Okay, talagang love. Ayan. Okay. So for today, I'll be using the word love for this relationship dynamics. So LOVE for our acronyms for today. Ayan. So the L is let them feel the love and care. Ayan. Okay. Tawag nito, I know we are not yet familiar on the love language of other people. So, when you are in a relationship, okay, or even yung relationship na hindi couples, or relationship sa mga anak mo, sa parents mo, sa mga kapatid mo, sa friends, mga ganyan, sa workmates mo, yan. Actually, we have naman yung love language. Wait lang. Tignan ko kung maalala ko. Ang alam ko, 5 yun eh. Tama ba? So, the time, affirmation, ano pa ba yan? Gift, again, love, affirmation, gift, time, touch. So, 5 na yun, no? Tama ba? So, again, may makakalimutan eh, no? So, time, sige, time, touch, gift, affirmation, and sabi ko na nga kung may makakalimutan ako. Ano yung isa? Yon. Sige, wait. Mamaya, balikan natin. Nakakalimutan ko yung isa. Pero yung mga love languages kasi na yan, meron tayong mga different love languages na when a person or other people would do that for us is that we feel the love, we feel that they care, yung mga ganyan. Ano ba sa akin? Affirmation. O, di ba? Affirmation. Being a zodiac sign Leo, affirmation for me, parang I want to make sure that ang tawag doon, na-appreciate yung ang tawag doon, yung mga efforts ko, yung mga ginawa ko for them, yung mga ganyan, yung mga simple thank you, simple ang tawag doon, mga surprises din na mga ganyan. So it makes me feel love. Ayan. So, ayun, words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch. Ayan. So, yung sa ano namin, sa relationship namin ng husband ko, ano yung sa husband ko? Touch. Physical touch sa kanya. So, tsaka affirmation din. So, every now and then that we have our time together, parang bakit may Kwan. Meron yung syempre nasasabi rin namin that we appreciate each other, or lalo na yung taking care of the kids, we thank each other na of course yung mga efforts na ginawa ganyan for the day, parang everyday ganon yung nangyayari, lalo pag medyo mabigat yung work for the day. Ayan, so we make sure that we appreciate each other's effort para yun nga, we let each other know that we love each other and we care about each other. For our kids, siguro yung isa sa kanila is affirmation. Yung isa sa kanila is gift. Okay? So, most probably, I don't know if same with your kids, ang love nila or love language nila is gift. Kasi nga, di ba, they love having Christmas gift or gifts sa kanilang birthday and all that. Yung mga simple gifts na binibigay sa kanila, yan, gustong-gusto talaga ng mga bata. Ganun rin naman tayo ng mga bata, di ba? And there are some also na hanggang ngayon na adult na sila, yun pa rin yung love language nila, yung gift. So, iba-iba tayo ng mga love language, but kumbaga, the same yung nararamdaman natin. So, we felt love and we feel yung care. Ayan. Meron nga yung lagi natin na pag-uusapan ang mga Cordillerans, mga Igorot. Hindi sila masyadong showy sa kanilang love or care sa kanilang loved one. But I know that they already know yung mga love language na kanilang partners, kanilang family. Okay? Kasi for me, ang lagi nilang inaasar, di ba? Hindi sila romantic, yung mga ganyan. But, yun nga, yung the way they show kasi yung love and care is more than what I expect. Okay? So, okay na, di ba? Hindi naman kailangan every now and then. Kasi sa akin, anong ba tawag? Kuripot tayo kasi. So, noon pa lang, sinabihan ko na kaagad yung husband ko na, wag ka nang magre-regalo sa akin ng mga flowers, sabi ko. Kain na lang tayo sa labas, mga ganyan. Or pagkain na lang ang regalo mo sa akin. Kasi nga, ang flowers, syempre, for me, nakaka-touch rin naman na makareceive, pero wala, parang mas preferred ko pa rin ang pagkain. Okay? Kasi hindi naman nakakain ng flower. Tsaka, for me, mas maganda na mag-spend na lang ng money sa food kaysa naman yung sa flower. Okay? So, yun. Hindi ganun ang love language ko. Okay? Talagang affirmation talaga. Yung more dominant na love language ko. Ayan. So, yun. Let, of course, them feel that they are loved and cared for. Ayan. And then O is offer your time and open for communication. Of course, anong tawag nito? There are times kasi na in our busy lives, okay, minsan yung communication na lang natin is yung simple na kumain ka na or ano pa ba? Ano yung anong gusto mong pagkain or tutulog na ba tayo? Yung mga ganun na lang yung communication. But it's also nice that we have time with each other to really talk about things, ganyan, mga deep conversations, mga ganyan. Kami ng husband ko minsan random yung mga conversation namin, yung mga ginawa namin in a day or yung gusto namin gawin in the future or ano yung nangyayari, yung mga ganun. So, mixture siya. So, hindi siya yung, anong ba tawag doon? There are no dull moments. Kasi nga, lahat ng pwedeng pag-usapan. Joke-joke ba yan? Or yung mga seryosong type? Or about the government? Yung mga ganun. So, at least man lang we have this communication na masaya. Okay? Or, yung sa open for communication, of course, when it comes to, kunyari, nag-away kayo. Okay? Kailangan may communication pa rin para naman we can settle, okay, things in a good way. Okay? Kasi like, I think in my previous episode na banggit ko yung silent treatment, hindi pala siya maganda when it comes to good communication skills pag nag-aaway kayo. Okay, it's better to talk about it. Yan. So, be calm in talking with each other para mas marinig nyo ang isa't isa. Ayan. So, of course, open for communication is not only yung sa pag-aaway or not talking about anything, but siguro ang good communication rin with each other is ang tawag doon, talking about your plans with each other. No? Yan, lalo pag husband and wife. Siyempre, kung may plano ka sa life mo, kailangan you have to ang tawag doon, hindi naman yung ask permission kasi I know that parang iba yung dating pag sinasabi mo yung future plans mo is you're asking for permission. No. It's just that parang nagsasabi kayo yung mga future plans nyo individually so that one would or can support the other and vice versa. Parang ganon. Kasi like for us, again, for our relationship, there are future plans that for me, I want to pursue for my career and ganon rin si husband. So, it's not really yung asking permission but to talk about it kung is it really possible right now, yung mga ganyan. So, all of it would be talked about. Yan. So, para hindi siya kumbaga magiging good yung relationship ninyo as you both of you would ano tawag doon? To hit the goal. Ayan. The next one is V. So, value their love and care. Ayan. So, I know there are some na siguro hindi na-appreciate yung love language ng isang partner, ganyan. Kasi magkaiba sila ng love language. Pero, as much as possible, if you could, of course, appreciate them on their efforts, yung mga ganyan, yung mga ginagawa nila for you. Kasi sa akin, nung binibigyan naman ako ng flower ni husband noon okay, nag-thank you ako, pero talagang, sinabi ko rin sa kanya na, na lang, kain na lang tayo. Okay? I appreciate naman what he's doing noon. So, good communication rin lang talaga. And of course, you also have to tell them or maybe show them that you really value what they did for you, yung mga ganyan. Kasi, kahit hindi siguro yun yung love language nila, ma-appreciate nila na, ay, wow, 'di ba? Nagustuhan niya yung ginawa ko for him or for her, parang ganyan. So, maganda yung ganun na feeling na being appreciated in the things that you are doing for your loved one. Yan. Pati yung sa mga anak namin, we also say thank you, ganyan. Diba kasi lalo yung panganay gusto niya ang affirmation. So, maghuhugas ng pinggan. Okay? We always thank you, Manong. Diba, Manong? O kaya si Ading, kung maghugas ng pinggan, meron siyang pagkain. Actually, parang both naman sila. So, that's one way to value their efforts. Okay? And letter E is embrace emotional connection. Ayan. Emotional connection. How can I put this in a kwan? Okay, emotional connection. I know when you have your husband or your wife, meron talaga yung tendency na na siya, mararamdaman mo yung nararamdaman niya. Tama ba? And vice versa. Okay? So, there are times na mararamdaman mo kung meron siyang mabigat na iniisip, mga ganyan. Ako, kini-question ko siya kaagad Are you okay? Yung mga ganyan. Okay? Pero, meron yung times kasi na hindi pa siguro siya ready to open up. So, I let him muna para naman hindi naman tayo parang terorista na charos. Na pagdating pa lang, bakit ganyan, hanggang sa habang kumakain siya, tinatanong-tanong mo siya. Wala, lang, minsan mararamdaman mo rin if there's something off with the person, okay, kung sa mga anak mo yan, sa asawa, ganyan. So, we really have to, ang tawag doon, feel, okay, yung feel natin yung ano yung vibes, okay, nung tao. Kasi yun rin kasi is being ang tawag doon, very connected, at the same time, observant ka rin sa loved ones mo. And in that way, you are able to really talk with them. Okay, kung may problema man sila na hinahandle as of the moment, at least they still know, or they really know that andyan tayo for them. Okay? Kasi lalo ngayon yung mga mental health na yan is ano lang talaga siguro all of us would agree when I say that all of us have this yung kagustuhan natin na parang assurance na knowing that somebody would be there for us, parang ganyan. Okay? So, relationship dynamics tayo, ha? So, I know when it comes to the title a while back is intimacy, of course, that is for the couple. Okay? But, of course, relationship as we know it is not only for a couple, married couple, okay? Or in a relationship, mga ganyan. It's also within the family. Ayan. So, of course, yung nabanggit ko naman kanina is, kumbaga, for everyone naman siya. Ang pagiging husband and wife, automatic na yung intimacy dyan. Okay. Di ba? Automatic na yun. It's also one way for communication. Sabi ni husband. Di ba, B? Okay? Kasi parang sabi niya sa akin, busy tayo, busy. It's one way of communication. Ayan. Okay. So, again, going back to the relationship dynamics. So, L, let them feel the love and care. O is offer your time or open for communication. V, value their love and care. And E, embrace emotional connection. Ayan. So, hoping that when we have this mga relationships natin, no, that we are able to understand also their love language. Okay? Kasi siguro malaki rin yung impact nun when it comes to the relationship. And then, of course, in love, okay, love naman is for everyone, mga ganyan-ganyan, di ba? Kaya ano yung parang ganyan, yan. So, love is for everyone. So, yung nabanggit ko kanina, it doesn't only apply for the couples, but also for your kids, and for your parents, family, friends, and of course, your workmates, ganyan. So, hopefully that this year, well, in the coming years, you'll be having good relationships and really building good relationships along the way. And all of it would come into place na, syempre, magiging happy tayo. Ayan. So, by the way, before tayo magbabay, bagong shirt. Thank you so much. Nakikita yung Coach K, diba? Coach K, ayan. It was sponsored, pwede ba banggitin ang sponsor? Okay? So, sponsored by Honorable Roderick Awingan. Thank you, sir, so much for this t-shirt, and really appreciate this. Ang ganda ng uniform. Uniform natin sa Taraki TV. Ayan. So, lalo kung meron tayong mga outreach, mga ganyan, charity works, medical missions, mga project eskwelahan and all that. So, yan, at least naka-uniform kami na pupunta. Ayan. So, thank you so much again, sir. So, God bless po. And, of course, again, thank you for watching the Daily Taraki Dose. Ano ba? Daily Taraki Dose with Coach K. Medyo natatang twist tayo for the day's video. Pero, again, follow the Taraki TV YouTube account, Taraki TV Facebook, and of course, Coach Karen Sebio Facebook account. Ayan, ang dami nating videos dyan. Meron pa yung isa na video na kasama ko si husband. We're talking about how to really transform our challenges in life into our strength. Ayan, maganda yon na episode. Ayan. So again, thank you for watching. See you again on the next episode. Bye!